Hi guys, welcome back to the another video of Engineers Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about a very simple and common law which is used in our fluid mechanics, that is Pascal's law. So guys, before going to our today's topic, I request you to subscribe to my educational channel Engineers Academy, and guys also motivate me by hitting the like button. Also guys, if you have any queries, please do comment and watch this video till the end. So guys, let's begin with our today's topic. So guys, I hope you have seen that is the hydraulic jack, which can lift a car, which can lift heavy materials, which can lift like the bulky objects also. So guys, how this heavy cars gets lifted by this a simple hydraulic jack. So guys, if we open this hydraulic jack, there is a cylinder is there, a piston is there, and that piston gets pushed with the help of this like a fluid. So that fluid gets compressed, and due to that energy in the fluid, the car gets lifted by the hydraulic jack. So guys, that is nothing but the Pascal's law. So guys, the Pascal's law stated that in any incompressible fluid or in any incompressible liquid, if we exert a pressure on one side, the same pressure or the same force, it gets transmitted throughout the liquid at the other point. So guys, let's take one example. If there is a manometer, that is the U-tube manometer, and if I filled that manometer tube with a certain amount of the fluid, okay, that's a U-tube, and then if we exert like a plug, insert a plug inside that manometer, if we exert a force, and from the left side, if we try to push this plug downwards, if we exert a force on the left side of the manometer, the right side will it will goes on the upward direction. The deflection also occurs on the right side. So guys, that is nothing but the Pascal's law. So guys, the Pascal's law stated that the fluid can transmit the pressure throughout that fluid basically, and it will always act normal to the surface. Normal means like it will always act perpendicular to the surface, the force and the pressure. So guys, that's a simple law which is nothing but the Pascal's law. And guys, this Pascal's law has a wide range of applications, such that like if we have it is also used in hydraulic brakes, cylinder and piston assembly. So that's a very common Pascal's law. It is also used in the hydraulic press, where in the manufacturing industry you might have seen the hydraulic presses, which is used in a sheet metal like pressing, drawing. So that is done by these hydraulic presses. So in that same hydraulic presses, there is the assembly is also same, and there is cylinder and piston assembly over there. So guys, the basic principle is the same. So this Pascal's law is used in that hydraulic press also. So guys, that was a simple Pascal's law. So guys, I hope you understand this simple logic and this simple principle. So due to that simple logic, there has a wide variety and a wide range of the applications. The fundamental is the same and the principle is the same, but the application is widely different. So guys, that was the basic Pascal's law. I hope you like my video guys. I hope you understand this Pascal's law. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my educational channel and motivate me so that I can make more of such videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.